Anatomy review of the day. Today we will look at the five main blood vessels which form the circle of Willis. There are five main vessels which form it. Starting anteriorly, we have the two anterior cerebral arteries. At the back or posteriorly, we have two posterior cerebral arteries. In the middle, we have two internal carotid arteries. The communication between each posterior cerebral artery and each internal carotid artery is the posterior communicating artery. And finally, the communication between the two anterior cerebral arteries is the anterior communicating artery. And we arranged the main blood vessels as follows because we will adapt the mnemonic APIPA. APIPA stands for the five main blood vessels which form the circle of Willis. The two anterior cerebral arteries, the two posterior cerebral arteries, in the middle, the internal carotid arteries, the posterior communicating arteries, and finally, the anterior communicating artery, APIPA. Anatomy review of the day.